Hello Phoenix, Arizona, and welcome. My name is Vinny and our company is Royal Wood Flooring. We are one of the best companies here in the Valley for restoration of wood floors, installation, and repairs. We are a specialist in sanding, staining, and refinishing wood floors, and Royal Wood Flooring technicians are all trained in installation of solid wood, nail down or glue down, engineered wood, nail down or glue down, and laminate and vinyl installation, floating click and lock floors. We're certified by NWFA, we're certified by Bona, and Repair Armstrong products. This is our beautiful Hummel right here. Hi, Gabby. That's Gabby, one of the best technicians in the Valley. This is our Hummel. It's a very, very well made drum sander. It's made in Germany. It's one of the best machines out there. We'll be restoring this wonderful floor. As you can see, it's a very nice product. It's very unique, and it's 7 inches wide. And it is made of multiple strips glued together. So we will be restoring it to its original condition. It will look just like it did when it came out of the showroom. This is what the homeowners are really concerned about. It's this main area from dogs, wear and tear, since they dropped a lot of oil. But not need to worry. Once we are done restoring, it will look amazing. It will look fabulous.